Welcome back. This is a quick tutorial on how to create those cool looking asteroid shots with your DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. First, as always, launch your drone in a safe area where you know there will be no obstructions or risk of collision. Next, click the mode selection button just above the record button. Select Quick Shot. Now, initially, you'll see 4 quick shots available to select: Droney, Rocket, Circle, and Helix in this column right here. This column is actually a scrollable list, and you should be able to scroll up. At the bottom of the list, you'll see the asteroid option. Select it. Now, you will have to select a subject for the drone to focus on while it does the asteroid shot process. In this example, I'm going to tilt the camera down and select my car. You'll see the drone has an intelligent selection option, so all I did was click the plus icon and it automatically selected my car. You can, however, draw a box selection if you wanted to focus on some other subject. Once you have your subject selected, click the start button. The drone will then do a countdown before starting. Once it starts the process of taking the asteroid shot, you'll see the camera doing some interesting things. Just let it be and trust the process. You will be able to track the entire process by seeing a percentage completion on the record button. If at any point you wanted to cancel the asteroid shot, just click the X in the record button. Once the quick shot is complete, the drone will automatically return to the spot where it started the quick shot. Don't panic, this doesn't mean the drone will return to home or land by itself. It'll just return to the hovering point from where you started the quick shot. The whole process takes about 1.5 minutes to complete, so as always, be mindful of the drone's battery life. Once the process is all done, you will have a single video file that you can use in your awesome videos. Hope that helps you out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful info.